Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in shadow black with black leather interior. Seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This is a 4x4 with a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost engine. It's also got an FX4 off-road package, a Lariat Sport package, and a Max trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors and memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You also have power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle in the body making it easier to get in, and power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash you're going to see any important messages, and as well there's a menu that appears and we can toggle through. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. Up above you're seeing the B&O branding audio system, and you also have a little bin here. There's hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for better fuel economy. We have a display screen here. This is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse, and you have your navigation map. You also have your audio selections, which is in sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You will also notice as we go back through, you're seeing a heated steering wheel, and in your climate control, you have dual climate control. In your settings, you can slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot. Volume and tuner are located there, and there's your CD player. There's a dual climate control, so you can use the dials or you can use the screen. And you also have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side is 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB outlets in that little cubby. You have an automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. And when you press this, you'll see it on your odometer, or your dash, I should say. Drive mode is normal. Let me press it again for you. Tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and you also have ambient lighting, and that'll appear in the bottom there, especially when it gets a little darker out. You have an armrest that opens up, more storage. Take the bin out. It's a little bit deeper with 12-volt outlet. Off to the side is your 12-volt and 110 outlet, and you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls as well as your sunglass holder. You also have your sliding power window, universal garage door opener, and then it's a nice day. I'm going to open up that moonroof, and it's just a push of a button. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle. As well, you have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we want to open up that tailgate, we can double click the fob and it'll power it down for us. Inside it's nicely lined with tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box link, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Armrest and a couple of cup holders in the center. You've got all-weather mats on the floor and extra carpeted mats. Some pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. And in the center you have a couple of cup holders, air vents, 110, USB, 12-volt outlets, as well as a heated seat control. You also have a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, rock shield hood, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.